Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an all-inclusive review of SlidesGo AI, an intelligent presentation maker designed for students, educators, and business professionals to generate fully editable slide decks in seconds. If you constantly struggle with blank slide anxiety, tight deadlines, or time-consuming formatting in PowerPoint and Google Slides, SlidesGo leverages FreePic's vast media library to automate your visual workflow. The core highlight of the platform is its prompt-to-presentation engine. Simply enter your topic, select a tone and visual style like minimalist, professional, or colorful, and the system instantly structures titles, body paragraphs, and matching graphics across an entire slide deck. Thanks to deep integration with Flaticon, every slide includes high-quality vector icons, customizable color palettes, and built-in infographics that export directly to PowerPoint or Google Slides for seamless online and offline editing. However, the service comes with noticeable drawbacks. Free tier users are capped at a strict monthly download limit and must keep mandatory attribution slides on every presentation. Additionally, because the AI draws heavily from popular public templates, generated layouts can occasionally feel generic or overused, and complex technical topics still require manual editing to fix awkward line breaks and text placeholders. Ultimately, if you need a quick, budget-friendly starting point to build visually appealing presentations without design experience, SlidesGo AI is a highly efficient tool well worth trying. Subscribe the channel for more videos.